Ichugwa bunge cia TIGANIA BUURI na IGEMBE nicio itongoretie kiri kubinyirika gwa MUUMBIRE na nkinyagia ngurano cia tene ori nthi ithiite na mbere gukungwira na gukinya ntuku 16 cia gukinyeria gikundi kia Reports International kiria kianirite utwiria uyu maugite KOTI kuruthana karugi na kurikia magamba mama ni baria makuga magamba mama ni makurigiria kuona ngakio tukiria antu muthiri Muriuki na ntitoini kibinya
ikiri ntuku 16 ara nthiguru yonthe yukungura thina chigenagia na mandu jegie MUUMBIRE aja rwangirutirwa kithirikari ni Reports International batongeretwo ni Prince Mwenda na John Biadu ibejete amwe na kuga thinire kuonekana monde na kaunti ya Meru ni mandu jegie na banini kuona iu bakiorotera muno ntere ciegeme na TIGANIA araba kuontu boy buthabo kiongereka muno
areas renge irachire affected muno na issues cia teenage pregnancies cut across the entire county but IGEMBE region both north, south na central thiate to itigania chionde yele plus sections just central na south na BUURI ichombeta kwethirwa chena cases nyingi mno cia teenage pregnancies then be kemanto ya defilement kana na Kimeru kwa ata anakinya nambu mwaka yoyu onka kitumbeta kwethirwa tukirescue over 40 cases 90% 40 cases baba ngi bara bumbeta kwethirwa bakethirwa by accused ibaithe kana antu bamo within muchi na vete ringi mpue ikukuthirwa kwina inya muno ana betu kuthirwa report incidents mbere defilement kana kwa watu kinya no to death threats irache therwa chiri accompanied
amna bobo bagwite thina chikinja na nabari ni kurugura kurio ni kuonekana muno ikiongereka
na mpue ringi no to bakuthirwa komparere kuthirwa kiendelea mwaka yuthirite miaka o 11 tutaithirwa tukithirwa twina mbura ekwana na ntuba baingi ovantu ngirimaneana bari affected na mpara highly affected area ni IGEMBE north kadia to central then TIGANIA east TIGANIA west na BUURI na sub counties cia BUURI na kuna connection between cases cia violence na issues cia mpara iri kuthirwa kiendelea no to thaira mtu mbikire kuthirwa atikumba provide family issues yu kumba kuthirwa kia na IGEMBE north na the areas we mentioned ringi nyachichi ko rate high in terms of issues cha child marriage no take nyarimo bakamwa ana baurwe ikenda ba nenkirwa ni moira into banenkana ikenda bombeka kuthira bakiona bia kurea
na ndike ndukira ngimba ugite na thintano ciari ni gutana mbere na kahinda ka chithikanye sibitari ne
FGM is also on the increase. And this, I'd like to highlight that recently we are experiencing what we call the medicalization of female genital mutilation, where the practice is carried out in clinics or hospitals. And so you find, because it has been criminalized, people find ways and means of still carrying out the practice, which is endemic, and it's culturally ingrained among the people. So you find out that the law has, although we have the law in place and is criminalizing all of this, it's very hard for us to trace which people are into this space and who are carrying out these things.
Na ndibo nandi ne kithirikari mono thirikari ya kaunti Meru itigania ngucanio nikenda gutigiriba corona mpara na kinya thina iji ciege ntano
tukwirigira tuthiria kachara twinionara ikenda tumbika kuthirwa twi focus on key issues turi ne ate tukaibanga ringi kenda mpara ya ite affect antu betu bari affected thai na ate tukombikia kurita ngoi tuthiria issues cia gender based violence
nkiripotera BUURI TV bitabu Muriuki.